ability to read what's happening for me at a deeper level, his ability to tap into his intuition to connect with me at a much deeper level has been an absolute game changer for me. And we end up somewhere where I'm having deep insights into parts of my personality or belief systems that I have that obviously I never even knew existed if it wasn't for Perry helping to guide me to that place.
What he can do in one session and really tap into that underlying issue that's holding you back. With other coaches that I've been with, it's taken them like month after month and another session to really get to the heart of things. With Perry, he has this innate ability to be able to get to the core of it and be able to articulate really what's happening inside of me. So whenever I'd come to the call, I could feel things all around, like in my head, my heart, everything. And then he was able just to be able to read all of that and articulate it perfectly so that then I had a way to move forward.
When I came across Perry, I really quickly identified that he operated at a different level to other coaches. I mean, most coaches, they want to deal with the issue of the day or the issue of the moment, and they apply pretty much superficial fixes to those issues. And they don't really deal with the underlying beliefs and the underlying patterns that are operating quite often outside of our own consciousness that are guiding us on a day-to-day basis. But from the very first meeting I had with Perry, the very first consultation, he demonstrated to me that he could quickly identify those patterns within me that I couldn't even see in myself.
I was put onto Perry through a friend and a colleague and was very pleasantly surprised. I can easily and honestly say that out of all the different coaches or therapists or business strategists that I've ever worked with, he is the only one who's been able to actually help me more deeply than I can help myself.
I was on a podcast last week with Perry Mardon, and he did, I don't know what he calls it, but kind of a reading of me. He talked to me, interviewed me, and just broke down some mental blocks and things that I have that I've had for a long time, some which I knew about and some which I hadn't really consciously thought about. But all the things that he pointed out were just dead on accurate. And the funny thing is, I had never spoken to him prior to that evening, and he just read me like a book. And some of the insights he shared were extremely helpful. I've been able to make some changes, and simply being aware, bringing it to the forefront and making me think about some of the things that I'm doing is so helpful. And I am very grateful to Perry for his insights and his talent.